Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to set up who can message you on TikTok. So first of all, go to your profile, then go to settings, and here tap on the privacy menu. And if you scroll down all the way to the bottom of the list, you will see direct messages. And if you tap on this menu, you will see two options. Who can send you direct messages? Friends or no one? Friends are considered followers you follow back and people you send messages to. So you have these two options, which is interesting because in some applications you can also set it to everyone. So anyone from the application can send you private messages, but here you have only these two options, friends or no one. That's it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you. If it was, please consider subscribing because that would be really helpful for me, and see you in the next one.